back to my channel. So for today's video,
Clap. Go.
hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano manood ng Harry Potter for free. So kung makikita niya, kasama ko ngayon si Pryna. At apaka-correct. Ouch. And kung makikita niyo din, may filter na nakalagay dyan. Filter to sa Snapchat. Ako. May filter to sa Snapchat. And makikita niyo na siya kung saan. And let's get started!